How to fix Mercari cannot create account. To fix the Mercari cannot create account error, first of all, try to turn off any active VPN. Now you simply have to ensure that you are also using a real contract-based US phone number, as Mercari blocks virtual VoIP numbers like Google Voice and restricts account registration strictly to the United States. So first things first, you have to use a valid physical phone number, and if you have turned on any sort of VPN services, turn it off, and then proceed to clear the cache of application itself. Or if you are on website, you simply have to tap on the address bar at the top. Once this pop-up window opens up, tap on the cookies and site data, tap on this trash bin icon to remove all sorts of corrupted files within the website, then proceed to reload it, and your problem should be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.